Well, a widespread condemnation poured in the Mumbai police in a display of high-handedness manhandled Republic TV editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami before his arrest. We have this report.
Please come out. Please come. Please come. Why are closing the door? Legal capacity, we are inside.
A nationwide furor is being witnessed over the arrest of Republic TV editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami. From journalists' bodies to top political leaders, all are condemning the act of Mumbai police.
I need to make some
Which dragged Arnab out of his residence this morning as he was arrested in connection with an alleged abetment to suicide case of 2018.
This is the injury on my arm. You can clearly see it. I've thrown it to the doctor.
Who injured you, Arnab?
It was Pradeep Patil and Sachin Vaze and 7 other policemen. They surrounded me. They held me by the scruff of my neck. They pushed me. I have come here, as you can see, without shoes here today.
Yes, you are without shoes.
I'm without shoes because
It's against a Supreme Court order.
they did not let me take my shoes. I've been assaulted. I want the people of the country to know. Don't push me. Don't push me. I want the people. I cannot be assaulted in a courtroom. This is a free country. I cannot be assaulted outside a courtroom. I protest.
Over a dozen police personnel allegedly manhandled Arnab after entering his residence. These visuals clearly show police using force as its personnel entered Arnab's residence this morning.
Why are closing the door? With legal capacity, we are inside. With legal capacity, we are inside. Yes.
Everything is live. Everything is live.
That's fine.
What surprised everyone is the way the cops apprehended the senior journalist.
I need to make some
In fact, Arnab also alleged that even his son was manhandled by the cops.
Beat up my son. मेरे बेटे को मारा. मेरे बेटे को मारा. मेरे इन-लॉ से मिलने नहीं दिए. इन्होंने मुझे फिजिकली असॉल्ट किया मेरे घर में. मैं चाहता हूँ उसका.
Later, Arnab's lawyer revealed that Republic TV editor was pulled by the belt and got hurt on the spine during police action.
They pulled me out of my house. They dragged me by my belt. This person and Sachin Vaze, who has entered my house illegally.
Arnab Goswami was physically assaulted in his house by 2 police officers, Praveen Patil and Sachin Vaze. Family members were pushed and his house was cordoned off for 3 hours. There are abrasions on his hand here, on his left hand. He has an already existing injury on his hand where that was also tried to be torn apart by the police. His arrest was not informed to his wife, but his arrest Panchanama says that he was informed to his wife. He was pulled by his belt and also there is an injury on the back of his spine. He was beaten on the back of his spine and thereby he was injured. So he appeals to the citizens of India to support in this case.
Meanwhile, sharp reactions started pouring in soon after the incident. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, while strongly condemning Arnab's arrest, accused the Shiv Sena, Congress and NCP alliance in Maharashtra of destroying democracy.
গণতন্ত্ৰৰ চতুৰ্থ স্তম্ভৰ ওপৰত এই আক্ৰমণ সমগ্ৰ ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ গণতান্ত্ৰিক ভিত্তিৰ ওপৰত আক্ৰমণ স্বৰূপ গতিকে ইয়াক কোনো যুক্তিতে আমি সহ্য নকৰোঁ আমি সেইভাৱে মহাৰাষ্ট্ৰ চৰকাৰক আমি দাবী জনাইছোঁ বিনা স্বত্বে অতি শীঘ্ৰে গণতন্ত্ৰৰ চতুৰ্থ স্তম্ভৰ প্ৰতি সন্মান জনাই অৰ্ণৱ গোস্বামী ডাঙৰীয়াক মুক্তি দিব লাগে
NEDA convener and top BJP leader from the northeast Himanta Biswa Sharma, meanwhile, warned the Uddhav Thackeray-led Maharashtra government to release Arnab immediately and offer an unconditional apology.
I heard that Mumbai Police Commissioner was a very, very strong police officer. But just to arrest Arnab Goswami, he has to deploy cop with AK-47. That means he is the most coward officer in entire India. And the Mumbai Chief Minister, he has betrayed the trust of the nation, completely unworthy son of Bala Saheb Thackeray. What he did today, he brought defame to his father, late father. He brought defame to Maharashtra. He brought defame to this country. Maharashtra government must release Arnab Goswami immediately and must render a public apology. People of Assam is closely observing. I warn government of Maharashtra that if anything happens to Arnab Goswami, people of Assam and people of India will not tolerate this.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah also condemned the arrest of Arnab Goswami and criticized the incident. Shah called it an attack on individual freedom and the fourth pillar of democracy. Meanwhile, a free Arnab demand has been raised in home state Assam. Northeast's largest news channel News Live also launched a free Arnab campaign. The campaign targets to generate 1 lakh responses. News Live Chief Managing Editor Zarir Hussain termed the arrest as a curb on media's freedom and equated with an emergency-like situation.
মই ভাবো আজিৰ দিনটো মানে সংবাদ মাধ্যমৰ বাবে বা চতুৰ্থ স্তম্ভৰ বাবে গণতন্ত্ৰৰ চতুৰ্থ স্তম্ভ বুলি যাক কওঁ মই ভাবো এটা কলা দিন কাৰণ অৰ্ণৱ গোস্বামীক গ্ৰেপ্তাৰ এইটো যেন ইমাৰ্জেঞ্চিৰ যেন 1970ৰ ইমাৰ্জেঞ্চিৰ দিনলৈ যেন আমি ঘূৰি গৈছোঁ তেনেকুৱা এটা অনুভৱ হৈছে তেওঁ ঘৰৰ পৰা টেৰৰিষ্টৰ নিচিনাকৈ চুলিত ধৰি ফিজিকেলি মাৰধৰ কৰি ভেনত ভৰাই লৈ যোৱাটো মই ভাবো কোনো যুক্ততা নাই আৰু আমি এইটোৱে বিচাৰোঁ যে অসমবাসী তেওঁ যিহেতু এজন অসম সন্তান তেওঁক অতি শীঘ্ৰে তেওঁক গ্ৰেপ্তাৰ কৰিছে যি মহাৰাষ্ট্ৰ চৰকাৰে তেওঁক ৰিলিজ কৰি দিব লাগে সেয়ে আমাৰ দাবী সংবাদকৰ্মী হিচাপে
Meanwhile, in the aftermath of Republic TV editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami's arrest, the Editors Guild expressed shock over the incident. Not only this, journalist bodies across the nation slammed the incident.
We are inside. With legal capacity, we are inside.
The Media Trust Assam, the Guwahati Press Club, among others, also condemned the arrest of Arnab Goswami. News Desk Report, Northeast Live.